Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material features. The same component I have created in the NX, the same component we are going to recreate it in this tutorial. For that, first go to the file, new, here choose model, millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. Here, for easy drawing, I'm just keeping this file left side to see the dimensions parallelly. First, we'll start with this base plate. For that, go to the sketch, right plane, save OK. Take a circle, first circle, second circle, third circle. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension of 88 to the center distance. From here the distance is 88. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Then make all the circles are equal. Specify the diameter as the outside is the outside radius they have given, which is 20. Then diameter will be 40. Now we have specified 88 from here. Similarly, we need to specify here. For that, from here to the center distance is 125 minus 40. 125 minus 40. Then we just connect the lines. Take a line from here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly, from here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly, from here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Then we just make this as a symmetric circle. This is symmetric one. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Then go for trim, remove the unwanted edges and close it. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch, extrude. The thickness of the extrusion here is 10 mm. Make it symmetric value, which is 10. Just save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this base plate. Then we'll create this cylinder. For that, just rotate it. Just go to the sketch. This surface you take, say OK. First create on center line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Specify this dimension. Then make it this construction line. Take a circle. Just simply create a circle. Specify the diameter, which is 32. Press the roller to confirm. From the center point to bottom, which is 100, the distance is 100 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now just finish the sketch, extrude, change the direction. Total extrusion is 64. Save OK. Then go for sketch again, front plane, just save OK. Now we just want to create this support plate. For that, go to the profile line. Here, this point. Here we just want to make a line little higher. Here. Then here. Zoom it here. Just somewhere here, then here. Then close the sketch, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now this distance is total is 125 minus 33. So this distance is 125 minus 33. Press the roller to confirm. This distance is Here they have given is 100. We can give 100 also, no issues. We'll give some 90. Then this distance we'll give 100. From here to here 90, it will come as 100. Now this distance will give us 16. Not 16, just delete it. Just go for the dimension. For that we need a center point. Just go for the orient to the view. Just click this one. This vertical distance is 100 minus 10, 90. 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16. That is the dimension. Then just make this dimension as 16. This one is 64. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. Here we make it unite. Total length of this 12 mm. Just save it. Just hide the sketch. Here you can see we have created this model. This also we can hide. Now we will create holes. For that, take the standard hole. First hole, just move the cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get the hole at the center of the circle. Now the diameter of the hole is, here you can 3 hole with the dia 10. Just apply it. Similarly here we just want to make. Here also the diameter is 16. Just say OK. Just right click here, orient view, isometric view. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.